We've arrived in our secret location here in Perth. We've actually lucked out. We found a place where we can stop for 4 or 5 months or so and explore Western Australia. So let's get inside, let's unpack, let's relax, and we'll start cooking again in Steve's kitchen. So we've arrived. It's going to be nice not to be under canvas. I'm going to get everything in out of the car, and then we'll give you a little show around. Okay, here we are. I'm actually going to take you out for a little walk in a moment around the area so I can explain to you what we're up to. Take a look at the fridge. We were hoping we'd have Steve's kitchen. All we've got is hin. We've got our coffee machine set up. We've unpacked our little travel cabinet that we use. This is a little camping cabinet. When we travel around, we keep all our stuff inside these sort of little zip-up units. So we've got a lot of baking flour and what have you. Yes, we travel with all this crazy stuff. It's by a company called Zempire. It's got a nice bamboo top. We won't be using that quite so much because we've got this beautiful kitchen to be working with. It's a little darker. There's not so many windows as I would like. So we've got our studio light. We travel with all this stuff, yes. And we are actually planning to get ourselves a trailer for the next stage of the trip. But let's talk about this outside. All the way around the Nullarbor, all over Australia. Not really seeing anything in the roos that were actually dead on the side of the road, and then just opposite where we're staying here there are kangaroos all over. I can see probably 8 or 9 of them just behind me here in the bush. If you look really carefully, I'm sure you can see them, and they're only about 10 feet away. Michelle?
Yeah, I think so.
I could probably get a little bit closer, but I don't want to frighten them. So all the way around Australia looking for kangaroos as we drove, and then just outside where we're actually staying, there are roos everywhere. Look at that fella over the back there laying down in the dust. So there you have it. We're going to be probably close to maybe 4 months, 5 months maybe here on the Perth, the Western Australia side. We'll take you out and about. Hopefully we'll see some more wildlife, some more parrots, hopefully some koalas. I've got a few friends over here we're going to meet up with, and we'll probably have a bit of a gathering while we're here. So still got the flies though, so thank you for joining me, and thanks for coming along with us on the trip across the Nullarbor. Hope you had a good time. So how nice is that? Just near where we saw the kangaroos, there's a little cafe there as well. Michelle and I stopped. A nice little cappuccino, local WA milk. Had a little slice of cake. Met 2 lovely girls that seem to work there most of the time, so we'll probably see them on and off over the time we're here. Anyway, back home, start getting things sorted out. See you in Steve's kitchen very shortly. Take care.
If you follow the road till it leads you back home, you'll find that the answer is yes.